Hey, hello everyone, this is the demo of Zaxtra, and in this demo video I'm going to show you how Zaxtra works and how it actually helps you in so many things, like you making your own marketplace, set up your whole fully featured website, set up your own blog for the product. Not only this, but you can actually manage your users, you can manage their user plans and user roles using Zaxtra. So Zaxtra is kind of an all-in-one digital marketplace builder, which actually going to help you in various ways. I'll show you how it works. I won't take much time, so let's start with login. But before moving forward, I just want to give you a glimpse of this homepage, which actually is going to be your own kind of a page for your own products. So whenever you're going to set up a product, it will actually create a very similar kind of a sales page. So it will like here it is going to be your own logo, your own menu which you can manage. You can manage your own navigation, customized image or customized text. You can edit everything on this page using dashboard. I'll show you. So let's start with login. This is my login account. I'm already logged in. I have two products which I have added on my dashboard. So I'm going to remove these products because when you log in first time, you will see a very similar kind of dashboard. After login, you will see everything is like all the figures are zero because of course your account is fresh. So before just moving to adding products, I will give you a quick walkthrough about the other sections like my settings. So inside my settings, you can manage your profile, like your Skype, your tax number, your address, your own small brief bio. So you can actually manage those things from here. You can change password from security. You can generate API keys. So Zaxtra has its like inbuilt APIs, like ready APIs. So you can just generate a key by just providing the key name. So let's say key API new. You can provide any name, and you can see the API has been created, and you can copy this API key and you can start using the APIs. We have already recorded videos for the as a documentation. Documentation is it's kind of a knowledge base for the Zaxtra, so you can see everything like how to manage profile, how to do settings, how to connect a Stripe, the features like how to set up a white label from library, set up a custom product, how to set up a sales page, manage subscription, how to manage user plan or product plans, user roles, notifications, announcement, blog, APIs, manage pages. You can have your own custom pages. You can have your own custom posts like blog. How to track sales, video tutorials, and other resources. You can see everything on the dashboard. And the other things like Stripe account, you can connect your Stripe account. You can connect your own custom SMTP. So your all emails will be white label. They will be customized. And this billing part is actually belong to those people who are using Zaxtra on subscription model. So they will see their plans. They can manage their plans, their subscriptions, and their invoices. Right? Now we'll go back to the dashboard, and on this dashboard we'll start with adding product. And we have two options. This option is for the people who don't have a product. So they want to start their own marketplace, but they don't have a product. So we are giving 5 or 6 products as a white label. But if you are OTO1 user, you can have 10 products. But if you are a monthly subscriber, you can have 12 products and 2 products which are going to be very, very unique, like HQ Webinar and Firelist. Firelist is a fully loaded autoresponder, and HQ Webinar is very awesome live webinar platform. And it comes with EverZP by default in the front-end license. So EverZP is kind of a evergreen webinar platform. Using EverZP, you can actually host your webinars. We have Page Builder. So using Page Builder, you can create your pages and funnels and landing pages. You can create models, pop-ups, and everything using Page Builder. You can have the Vidmock, which is kind of a video marketing platform. Using you can create videos for social media. You can create videos for video ads using Vidmock. We have AppZap. This is an amazing product which is going to convert any website or any blog in mobile app or in Chrome extension. And we have a cloak URL. URL cloaking is very important in affiliate marketing or internet marketing. So you can have a white label product which you can sell to your own customers. So if you're using some product like Perfect URL or something like that, you are paying $19 a month. But now you can actually start your own software as a services which you can offer at one-time price to your own consumers or at a monthly price or annual price, right? Now the second option is for the people who have the products. Now you can have the reseller rights of a product, or you can have the white label products, or you have your own products. So you can actually set up your product as a services or as a downloadable product. Now you can deliver or you can sell all the downloadable files like zip file, like a book, like PNG, JPG, or MP4, your own produced music, or your own ebook or PDF book, anything like that. Anything which is downloadable or which is digital, you can actually sell. Not only just product, you can sell your own service using the downloadable product. So every user who will pay for this will be notified, and the product will be delivered. So you can actually use Zaxtra for service, for selling services, for selling downloadable or digital products, or for selling softwares, right? you can set up your product from here. We have the automatic IPN or webhook feature, like other products. So if you are using Pay Kickstart, Thrivecart, or if you're using Zavizu or Warrior Plus, you can, whenever you deliver something, you sell something, the account is like being automatically created. So it will happen using Zaxtra as well. So all the users' account will be created automatically after purchase. Okay, this is the custom product we have created, like course from Doug. This is again a downloadable product which we can click on add to dashboard. So product will be added to the dashboard, and one more product, EverZP, we will click on add to dashboard. Now we have added 2 products, we can add one more, add to dashboard. We go back to the dashboard, and on the dashboard you see we have 3 projects like EverZP, course from Doug, and page builder. Every product has its own seller's dashboard, every product has its own access, and you have option to remove this product from your kitty. Now we have this option, you click on access seller dashboard, and this is the dashboard of your own EverZP white label product. So every product has a custom and very intuitive dashboard to manage, right? You can manage product, you can configure it, you can manage or configure your domain, custom domain. Like if you click on domain, you can connect your custom domain in just 60 seconds. That's it. It's so easy. We have recorded the video tutorials and knowledge base for you, so you can actually know how to use it. You can click on how to set up a white label from Zaxtra, how to set up a custom product. It will explain everything to you, how to do this. And this unique URL which you can use to see your website. So I'll just use HTTPS, and I'm sorry, I'll just copy the URL again. Okay, here we go. This is the website which is been created for this particular product, which is EverZP. So I will show you how to customize this, right? I will just open EverZP website. This is everzp.com. I have just copied this image. I'm going to copy this text. So I'm just going to copy this text. I'm going to use it. I'll click on setup homepage. I'll paste it here. Then I'll copy this text again. Webinars are very powerful with EverZP. You don't have to do this, right? Let's copy this, and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, this is done. Now we will just click on choose file. I will just use one image, and I'll click on submit. And here we go. We'll come back and we'll refresh this page, and you see the page of EverZP has been created successfully. And now you see you can change anything. You can change the image, you can change the text, you can change this CT of this button, you can change the text of this button. You can have this whole sales page in your own language. We support multilingual, we like multi-languages, so you can have this page in any language, right? You can write this page in Spanish, in French, in Russian, or in any language. Okay, now we come back, we click on custom pages. Now you can create custom pages which you can actually connect using navigation. You can connect here on this page. Right now we have this blog which we have connected. If you go back and you click on manage posts, we have one post, how to become a sales rep, tips for the first time selling. And this is the first blog which we have just created already for Zaxtra, for this product. Right now this is EverZP 16something.zaxtra.com, but you can customize it like EverZP .co or everzp.net. So you can have your own or your own let's say evergreenwebinar.com, your own logo, your own domain. You can customize everything. Okay, now when we have this available here, we are going to create one more post. So you click on this post, you see this is a very identical to the WordPress, so you can actually create your post and manage your post like you manage on WordPress. And we have this blog, so we'll copy the content from here because I just want to show you how it works. We'll copy it, and we'll copy this text from here. Here we go, and I'll paste it here. We'll change this image, so I'll use this image. I mean, I'm just giving you a demo. I never recommend you to use copied content for your own blogs or your own website. This is just a demo, so I'm just using its content for the demo purpose only. You can use this image, and then you can click on submit. Product has been saved. We'll come back to our EverZP blog, and we'll refresh. And we'll refresh this. You see, we got the second blog ready. How to become a sales rep. Everything is this available here. And the first blog is how to set up a Google Analytics for the WordPress. And we have this blog ready as well. Everything is written like you have done it for this blog dedicatedly. So it creates a very professional blog, it creates a very professional website, as well as it creates a very professional whole marketplace for your product. Like this product is set up, now you can manage its pricing plans like monthly, yearly, or one time. We have this one time plan. You can go back to your manage plans options and you can manage your own plans. Like we have all these plans, we can click on one time and click on edit. If you can remove this, or you can remove these excluded features from here, and you can copy paste in the features which are included. You click on update, you come back. Right now you see features are excluded, and we'll refresh and we'll click on one time. Now it's included. So it's so easy to actually use. You can actually manage your own monthly, yearly, or one-time plans. You can have your own like FAQ section. You can have your own footer. You can have your custom HTML. You can have your own custom features. So it's highly customizable. And this is not just customizable for one website. It is customizable for every website which you are going to set up here on Zaxtra. You can set up like 10 products in the gold plan, but if you have a limited plan, you can set up unlimited websites, unlimited blogs, and unlimited products you can configure, and you can start selling unlimited products to the unlimited users, and this is magic. Okay, now if you are going to click on my reports, you can see the product has been sold and it is paid, and you can download invoice or you can send invoice to the customer. By the way, this invoice has already been sent to the customer automatically, but if you want to resend, you can resend it in just one click. Okay, so this is the dashboard where you can see you have 3 products. You can see the users, you can see number of sales you have, you can see number of views you have, and so much more. I cannot cover everything in this demo, but we have created video tutorials for everything, and you will get access of these video tutorials on Zaxtra.com. So you can go there and you can see how this whole product actually works in detail. Okay, I hope you like this demo video. I'm sure you're gonna love this. But before just signing off, I would like to show you one more important thing inside Zaxtra. It is completely white label. It is 100% white label. You don't have to host anything on your own, hosting website. You don't have to pay for hosting. You don't have to pay for anything. We are giving you a free SSL certificate with every product URL like this. This is the free certificate we are giving, and if you connect with your own domain, you will get a free certificate from our side. Every certificate which you need to buy for minimum $19, but we are giving it for free with Zaxtra every time. Like if you have unlimited plans, you will get unlimited SSL certificate for all your websites. Okay, and everything is manageable. You can have your own custom branding, you can have your own custom text colors in your own language, and that's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. I hope you liked Zaxtra, and we are launching it on 30th of October 2021 at 11 AM EST, and we are looking for your support. Thank you so much. Bye bye.